Which of them are sitting like, you know, every day I take such man. You have to do a choose between me and such man, you know.
You don't know, say me choose.
I can't me a choose.
What do you mean by that?
So if you not take such man with the bike, or such man with the car, or such man will call out a site out there, so as much wall you can take it all away. How I go on?
Listen to me.
I listen, man.
That's what me have to say. Now because me I text him a friend. We are friend.
Ain't a friend come with benefit?
Well, this a benefit.
Friend.
But you not benefit.
What?
I'm a friend, them are you me choose.
I can't me a choose, man. Correct. You can't go out and look at different girl then.
What do you mean by that?
Yeah. Because I can't live my life no more. I try to talk to you in your room more while I'm someone like style. Yeah, man, down in a phone, and laugh.
So no friend, my friend them talk about something, so what wrong with that?
No, man, too much man friend.
You sure man friend them be? So everybody me talk to a man them?
Yeah, man, me never talk to woman ride bike and walk on side.
Mean like, everybody me talk to me and them there. Right, that's I say, and everybody me text a man them.
You give them more time, mommy. If one for me there, and them there.
Well, me not have no more to say to you. You me choose and me and them are just friends. Yeah.
After see what I go on, because I go to the road tomorrow morning or tonight. And I see one nice girl, you know where you go. So I put up a guard for now, so you have to change up your lifestyle if you want everything more bright.
So how that you want to do?
That me I pray and that me want, but I have to go on. You have to make up your mind or something to go on.
Alright then, man. Do you think what's the way you plan for do? Work out for you. Because basically you don't want me to talk to nobody.
I'm not saying I want to talk to nobody, but how you move? I last night I got already do. When name again? Must see John or whatever I want name.
Paul. Yes, yeah, my uncle, Paul, yes.
See uncle got a club so late night.
Where you know a club we go?
Half a club that.
Where you know a club we go?
So you come back for 4 o'clock night before day. So how you come from?
We go do business.
Business?
Yes, business.
What kind of business is that?
Business.
Business. You left from hour. About 5:30.
4 o'clock.
Alright, you correct me. In a day?
Yes, we go do business.
And come back.
Because we did that deal with business.
Which part of the business did that?
You don't even know that. Just so that deal with business. Me not what I said to you.
Just make sure so when Paul bust off in that day, you know, you can't go hide again, you know. And you can't give him no jacket, you know, cause Paul, you know, uncle.
So we are trying to say.
I know what me and Paula. What me I say. I want me I say not try, me I try that, me I try to tell her. That me I tell her right now. Me not try that, me I tell her.
Even know if you say to you right now. Have Paul my uncle. Me can call him right in front of you and ask him.
I'm done for everything if you call him, man. You're done for everything with him already, you know. So if you call him for some time, you know, if you're done what you tell me already. What you have to say now for yourself?
Me not have nothing more to say to you. Alright, me not have nothing more to say to you.
So you walk on?
Just do your thing.
Everything good, man. I go walk in the house outside.
Mama, step out of my back. Step out. Step out of your house.
Hello!
Come in. Pick out my sally text now.
Wow, we like it a tear off though.
Not tear off. Put it
Wow, I can't sit up in your bed.
Sit up, girl. Sit down. Wagwan, good.
Me there, you know.
So Wagwan, I know we can jump my head in the night.
Me there, you know, say man me I talk to. The person I want me to tell you about.
Yeah, Jabon. How you doing?
You know, say find out about Paul and he buy man and he want to where car name? He own the car. You find out about them. Honda? Yes, him same one.
You know me not understand with you. You know me busy in the right it. You mad? Oh, you feel make him find out about them or something there.
Me not make him find out, you see me a text. And it's like
no go pay your phone, mama. You can't go pay your phone and run him man. Go pay your phone every time you text it. Listen to me. You have to choose one man. You can't have so much man. You want can have 4 man.
You don't know say a job when me choose girl.
Yet still a chat to your ex them?
Me not talk to them, me just friends zone, you know. No, my friend, when me want, you know, when me want go road at them carry me. I want
So you find out what the bike man?
you know, no, just Paul. But
Okay,
he's supposed to
then
find
idiot.
out if find out about them can tell me about all of them. The whole four of them.
Mama, you can't want to have too much man. You have to choose one. Pick one out of the whole four of them.
Jawbone.
So
Number
if you
one.
choose, alright, if you choose Jawbone number one, we just start chat to the Honda man. You have the money?
Yes.
So alright, so why you talk to the bike man then?
Come can, you know, go on your bike, you know.
Oh,
So bike
you
sex,
want to
yes.
ride bike?
Yes.
So one to the one we work aside.
Jesus Christ. Him, you know, him body just sexy, you know.
So Jawbone no sexy.
Him sometimes I can't manage him.
Mama, listen to me. You need to do it now. You need to choose one. Because you see, when you're going to deep body, me not come with you.
So we're not friends, we're not like that.
You must be mad. When you're there jumping in one big pit, me not drop down there with you. Because me that one and me don't want you call me name. Because me when I say, Mama, this is a moment you're happy. The next moment you're sad. And when you're sad in the day, in the night you're happy again. And when the liquor take you, you start express your feelings.
Girl, me not stop talk to them. Because the job when I give me, yes, me get it from them. They are my friend, me and them not do nothing. They're just
Everybody
friends.
are your friend. And somebody are doing your friend them. So the little old man don't know about everything. Little chatterbox man who doing everybody business.
No, sir, you know, no. Probably, you know, because me just, last time just sleep in my yard.
You know. Me know saying no, because I know everybody business.
See?
Everybody
you know.
business, you know. And you know, make you know your business.
Mm-mm.
Is that man there in love job word?
And him had and panny.
And wanna go so? Go so. But I one thing, me tell you, I'm a man there. You say anything when chat say, you say if you not go so, he near if you go so. So that to me, say if you talk of whole man.
Me got think about it because I true that because what them want, me can't give them. So me have I just job on alone. No?
Good, because me know want underneath to start eat like a water.
Yeah, me no want breed. I don't know my baby father.
That's true. Because sometimes girl, I don't know if you tell you, but if you ever breed, you're not going to know your baby daddy because you have too much man to take under you.
So yeah, my friend and you tell me then something like you try disrespect me.
It better me tell you go around and people tell you enough. Underneath you're too loose. You need some tight now. You make it one screw. Me tell me, me plan to buy one padlock for me mouth. Maybe not hunt for padlock for mouth because me chat too much.
You don't chat too much, you know?
No, me do.
You just try disrespect me.
No. It better me tell a friend no. Say you swing your body all but please and if you fix it up, you don't look good at all. You don't look good. Choo. You say you're a style job.
Me not styling, brother.
Yes, it's a style job, you know. A style job one. How much you know now? When job go up on the road, job not for the wall on the head so I walk. In can't up in head. Because you do one bag of things with man on road and job on here. You know man feel nice?
Me not do nothing with them. Me
So
just go
what
out
you
with them.
You go out with them?
Yes.
No, go out with job one to job one.
You look like you want to go nowhere? Eh?
Job one just not like the crowd and job one have to go out work.
When me love the excitement and if him not go nowhere, me not roll back at him. Me go with excitement there. You alright?
And that's
I am
right.
my friend, you not tell me, you're not talking truth. You're not talking the truth.
So you do?
You're not talking truth. You try to put me lower.
Mama.
Like lower.
Lower to my house. Come out.
Come out of my house and don't chat to me. More fast. More fast.
Oh. How that?
I'm Kayla.
Oh, come here.
Very well going.
Me there, you good?
Yeah, I'm just come back in our place now.
That me I say, come sit down here, sit down. See your problem, man.
Yeah, but come fast, yo. May I try get a new boo.
How are this, sir? How ever tell me for? You see man mark for me. Me come like man take a reg. Me have man pack up one side, put on. Everybody just come to me about man. Me don't even have one man myself. That's one man?
You know, say you get around and you have people where you talk to, you're good like that.
Well, anyways, Wilbur man in the lane. Plenty man in the lane.
I don't just want plenty man in the lane. I want somebody who good. Somebody who work. Who can take care of me.
But yeah, work. We not the lane at work. Most of man not the lane at craft. None of them not to work. We soon not the lane at work. Yes, man not the lane at work. We find man that work hard working man. But guess what? I know why you coming like my friend, you know. Or more than one man. Keep one man, mama. Helena is not pretty. Keep one man. You know what I mean by? One man.
One man.
Don't have two man.
No, sir.
One
I'm not do
man.
the whole heap of running up and down.
Good, come no one in a situation you like a one ya. And in love with a one ya. Take your love two what one time no. He's out here in love and you like one. No going at that because that not go pretty.
Alright.
Anyways, they're good.
There, man. Alright.
Everything you just want a man I know.
Yeah.
So
Settle
I'm
down
the
with.
last boyfriend where they are.
Girl, you
One
never
second.
go with nothing. You might do bag of things behind my back. I could take the stress. So, we're just done with him, yeah.
It's probably if I use the AI properly and do what me to do, probably that hold the man.
That's true.
Because every man what you get, they ever they left you. Why?
Me don't know, you know. Me don't know where them a look for out a road. Then they not like good man. That's why me there want to find somebody good now for settle down with.
No. Be a bad woman. Because if you play a good woman role all the days of your life, and every man you dead pack up and go and left you, what you think you need to do?
Why?
Be bad. Get a bad man.
Like I me have to go do for true.
Yes, get big body mad bad man. Don't get none to play boy. Or what? I don't get no bad man. So I remember the last time my man back to them the road. So I remember, hush. Get one nerd for their work so you can box him down. Instead you get the box down here. Because in the lane here, people try people business hard. And me and your friend, so I have to show you how it go. So when tomorrow when we go up on the road, me can find one man give. Me think me have one man. They around 3 of them. But I have to pick one.
Alright.
Yes.
So me come check it tomorrow then. Alright. Later, girl.
And when you come, get money come cause me need money.
You ever want money? You can't get one work?
Mama, this is work. When me the find man go on work.
Alright,
know
when
that?
me come tomorrow, you get the money.
Good. You want me give you man for free. Where you take this thing for?
Alright.
You think man come for free? I ain't gonna put on your house.
Oh, we are there door.
How you a come from?
Over my friend.
Where your friend?
Mm-hmm.
So you never call her that come from?
No, man, over my friend. I can't call her.
Me not have to call him, man, because everything heard them know your style, man.
We not plan no over them. I come from for true.
Alright, where you come from, buddy, I do?
Me that talk to her.
I talk to her.
Mm-hmm.
Never call her that come from?
No.
So you catch your head, so like
He want wash.
you make Paul do it, man, come and say, I am fall apart from that day.
My friend me did there. Why you not believe me?
Because I can't believe it. I last night I come back in again. Much o'clock. For me. Post. But I need just take your time and go back to the door there, please.
Joe,
Yeah, it's one of his teeth.
busy you want say. I'm come out here man, cause me have what you want to.
Don't worry yourself, man. I want out the road too.
Don't let me in. Morning me a wash.
I know.
So tired. See me I sick of me up in the water and wash clothes. Why? Can't bother with life, yeah man. Oh, all the clothes drop outside.
What? You wash?
You know where I come from?
Where you I come from? Where you go last night?
Go over Kayla.
Go back Kayla?
Yeah.
You sure Kayla you had to go last night?
Yeah, go over Kayla me go.
Oh man, it's not too hot for me right now too. Cause you see all you?
I want
After me I
from
talk
morning
to
me
you
a
last
wash.
night.
And you gone out of yard.
Me I talk to you
Where
so they
you
get up
come
and go
from?
on man. Yeah, you feel me? I idiot boy gonna Kayla yard.
Ask Kayla. Go
Yeah,
over
wash my
Kayla me
clothes up on
go.
the line.
Where I say?
Put my clothes them there. Put my clothes up on the line. I know if me them there, I know where them there.
Sure.
I hold them there.
My brother.
Your brother?
Yeah.
Your brother live now?
I'm not leave here, but him beg me wash all them, catch me a wash.
So I'm to my clothes and can't wash too.
Why?
Watch the man, to me bills a line now. I'm going to take them off. Take off
What?
the black clothes off from my line.
Oh, you mean take out the clothes them off the line?
Take off the black, I'm going to chop it down. You know live here.
You can't do that sometime,
Fan
you know,
them off the
man.
man.
You not pin off no brother.
Where my shit then?
Why me I go pin off the clothes them off the line?
But I'm chop up
clean
the line this morning. Yo, take them off the
Why you
line.
stay so?
Take them off the line, because I can't see my clothes on the line. What happened? Pin them off faster, man. Pin them off. Yeah, I'm pin them off myself. What is that? Underpants out.
Oh, yeah. The clothes them on the line, no, brother.
What is that?
I don't have nothing.
Take off the rest of them from there, do. I go in the house, if I come back on the line, I go burn on the line. I go burn it right down. I ramp with me.
I see the curry pantan.
And you got money at that, I'm curry part of the ramp with me today, I see.
Why me can't buy that, you know, man? Make them out and dry, you know, because I can't have the problem today, you know. Out and dry. Why? I can't buy that with those work, you know, man. I don't want to come myself down.
But you're mad at me, mama, man. Me take them off, you put them on back.
Because the clothes them want dry, brother. What the problem?
You see your problem?
My brother clothes them, what wrong with that?
Right, I'm hungry, I'm tea breakfast when I was. Mine does a long time.
You see, outside me there, the sun.
You must say inside chores first, in a house chores. Clean for wash, bed for bread, food
in a yard, people are walking.
No. Responsible people. Responsible people. Responsible me and my belly.
So to me no. Me not live now in dirty yard, so I wake up the yard first.
Listen.
Then I go in and do my food in the house.
You clean in a house first. Then you come out the door, come where out the door. Then I go bed. Come to your breakfast. And the breakfast I make this morning.
Yeah, I go wait an hour. If I can't wait, then I say go, you know. Because me I finish me at the house, so.
Me want to wait.
Let me say.
Wait for breakfast we eat.
Yeah.
About 10 now, you know. Put on your and look for something to eat, man. I'm hungry, you know.
You go do it. How are you going to do it?
Put on your rate, man. I'm hungry, you know. Walk one. Eh? I look come on, you look come on, check last night, I fall, you know.
But tell us that Kayla, I go check.
You can't tell me say Kayla, go check, man. I don't eat that. Let them man go check, man. Such man.
You go ask Kayla. I want me ask
Kayla, because no friend, not tell life, I don't want that. No.
Kayla's somebody we love chat, so Kayla go tell you the truth. That Kayla yard, brother.
You can't tell me that. Kayla a good girl, you know.
Kayla good girl.
If Kayla want 5 bills right now, Kayla tell me everything where you going with it. You know that?
Because Kayla love money.
I that me tell you now.
Kayla love money.
So which money they go down? Just tell me truth so I can feel free my mind. Which one they go last night?
Kayla yard me go.
Who was such man?
Kayla yard me go. Me not gonna such man yard. What wrong with you? What do you?
How do you want your advice? Your advice all gone there. Can't tell me say Kayla yard go last night lose all advice. Can you first advice all lose, you know? Talk to me.
Kayla
Where you
yard
go?
me go.
Where you go do? Where you go do? You come in early and I wash. Break up your yard. Make it look like all is well. But no, anyway, no breakfast to me. I'm hungry.
Me never say me not look on breakfast, yo. Me try to clean the place and then we can look for breakfast. What wrong with that?
So you can go fry. You go fry.
Bang your belly, man.
Ban which belly?
As man you like, you want something for your mother, yo.
Me.
You can't cook.
No, that's why you're there. So I pick you up and bring you where you come from. You have to cook.
Hello.
Listen, you have to wash, cook, clean, wash it till you don't feel ready to eat.
Listen to me now. Me never come here, so to be a maid. If you want a maid, you go there, go look at maid. Okay? Because come like a maid, I want, you know. Maid, I want to do everything for you. Me not do it.
So what do you think woman there for?
What mean by?
What do you think woman there for?
Tired out myself.
If you walk for your way. You see what yourself for your way.
Me never say me not going to do it. But you want me to do 5 things one time.
Let me rake in now. So look for one egg and a sachet man and 1 francs.
So, and the simple something they want, you can't go look about it.
I can't do it on the road, I go up and look for money.
Oh, you go look money.
Yeah.
You're not going to money, a girl yard, you go.
Which girl yard me I go? Which girl me
You
I go?
kill me. You can't with one palang talking.
Me can't go a girl yard and come and tell you if you cook for me. That's me fool.
Probably eat there already, but you don't want to look nowhere. Yeah. Because some man you left the yard, I don't know where you're gone.
Go look some money. You do half hour work already, so you go finish your work and collect your money and come back. See, by the time I come back, I don't want no egg and you know what? Flour. A piece of yam on it. You see me? And a piece of yonkin. You see? And steamed piece of fish.
You hear what you want.
Yeah.
You hear what you want. I had even say, make you do something around the house, help me do something around the house. Only thing you're interested in now are this. This you're interested in your belly. What wrong with you?
So we don't have to eat if you got look money?
No, never say that.
You're not working,
I'm not saying that. But what I'm saying is that you can't want me to do 5, 6 something one time. It's one me.
That's why if you pause it 5 or 6 and just do it 1.
So we are trying to say, me not feel Ricky, yeah, that's why I try to say.
If you Ricky button right now, look about something man, I'm coming off a road, I can say, what? Babes, look about something you can't eat, I can't say nothing. I cannot come and argue with them man like a some girl.
You always argue. I went to not just argue, I always argue. I don't want to you.
Yeah, you are going. Rake up here. Rake up here. So I come back more to the flour. And the fish and the young king here, with piece of callaloo on here, steam some callaloo to me soon come.
Yes, me go put some big stone and some water in the pot. So you come, you just go in the pot and take out some.
I'm putting me safe.
Watch how you see.
I'm putting me
Watch how you see.
I broke up in that here. I'm putting.
Right. Me no me do. Me do what me do.
What you make one look for a while ago, you know?
You come for me for?
Me come look for you for. What you want to do last night?
What?
Woman, I want to go last night.
Me wonder if you don't take me for one piece of informer.
Yeah, piece of informer.
You don't take me for?
Can you say you can check last night?
Yes.
Come back with invites, what's up, I wonder what I want to do. I want to go.
Hello?
Earlier, you didn't go.
No, listen to me. She come my yard and she leave. We never go nowhere. After that, we don't know where she go. Me can vouch to her and say hello after she left me yard near yard. She come. But after, we see after when she come to my yard, she see her my yard.
Hold on there. When you come in your yard, the invites is so good, right?
Yes.
When the man left invites still alright, right?
Yes.
Alright, so I know what I can do now.
Where you want to do?
What I'm going to do? She got a man yard last night and take me for idiot.
How you know she go a man yard?
When she left her advice nice and everything. She come back, advice.
Yeah, I know if when she a come, the big dirty cow, then whenever they walk in the lane, run her down.
No man, they come in
And she
trouble
say,
people.
what?
They ain't come in trouble people.
Yes?
They ain't trouble people, I say.
Well, me not tell you say a woman go. Me just so you know say, can't vouch you or not like that. You know what you need to do? Get a woman.
At that more, I say go on, I can't line up for one card.
Yeah, man, we have a couple clients if you line up your pan.
Right now.
But you must say you have to come forward with your money. You got to get your money.
No, say you love your money, man. No
Yes.
worry about yourself, man.
I mean, talk no $500. Me talking 50,000. Because guess what? No. When me go to the woman, they want to mash them up. But if you have money, if you can fix them back up. And some of the man broke. I mean, I like broke pocket man because me like money. I love to see money.
Hold on there. 50,000.
50,000
For one woman.
for one woman for 1 day. 2 days, say 100,000 that.
You want a one clip off your tongue?
Come on, for tongue.
Off your tongue? What do you mean by 50,000 for one night?
Listen to me. When you have her, you go mash her up. Me if you have money, if you take care of her body.
Me not mash her up, I'm not a wicked man.
I mean, if you have money, me if you have money. You know much.
Me can give you your money differently. One look, you can buy yourself juice. But no.
If me want juice, me go mix some tangle in my yard with some syrup. I don't want no juice.
Me want a woman go down in a town over a bridge there. Cheap on 50,000.
Hello. Them the woman the underneath them is very big amount of man. So me I get a nice clean body wife. Me I get wife material. Me I get woman to walk up and down and nobody I feel they wonder if she gonna touch man yard. Me giving a liar woman.
That buy me a still buy.
Yes.
And man, you come in more money than me and she can't see me, you know.
No. She don't know say I buy you the buyer. I me know that. Me say go put in the words and you look her. But if you have money and me want money. And if me not have no money, me not happy.
But me not give you the grand do. Me not.
Do you can't get a woman then?
Me give you 25.
No, 25 can't work.
You can't get
The only way I no, listen to me.
50.
Me tell her now. See you me playing and me tell her now.
Yeah.
Anyhow, you ever give me 125? Just know say another man they go have the woman sentence and 200 they go have her. Me gonna about my business. You're looking with the money now work.
Wow.
What a beautiful son.
We're in farmer,
Jack. Are we calling farmer?
No, you, man.
Let me tell you something.
So you're here.
Yeah, I want to look young like how no.
No, man, I must say old now. Something I'm father. Could die the motor.
No. I like my mustache how it be. Maybe in the future I dye it out. But listen, don't call me informer, you
But
know.
you're in farmer, daddy.
No, I only talk what goes so. I don't talk when I go so.
But you not to talk. Something for left you alone.
No. Let me tell you something. When you don't feel like you can come in the area and get the young girl them and me left behind. I don't get no young girl. What
Look
you
at your
think?
age, daddy. Look at your age.
Then I'm age.
No.
18 now up. I'm my age
Right
up.
now you're about 69 or so.
It don't matter. Me might look old, but me no cold.
I don't know.
You understand?
One day young girl can't tell you say you're cold, so you left them alone. Or probably a waste or
All your woman where you have over yard there.
Yeah.
Wait, one day I shall be there. I shall get that woman. I shall down in our chocho. I shall weep out the chocho and turn it into vegetable.
So you talk about food now like you got face. What you deal with, master? Eh?
Where's that? Face what?
You talk about food we eat. You talk about my woman come here. What you do? Me not eat, you know, me eat, you know, waste, you know.
I don't eat.
So you go to
I consume. So when you talk,
so you can consume that.
consume what?
That.
You know, say you're part of the place.
What you come and tell
You
me
know,
about
say you're
food
part of the
now?
place. Me not tell you about no food.
You tell me about chocho and
Yeah,
something.
because it look like
And
chocho.
popcho and cabbage and callaloo and something.
You ever look on chocho? I look on a man front and tell the
No,
difference.
I look for the one time.
Well, take you look on it.
Me not mix it with food, master.
All right. Some woman I use our cucumber. Make sure to tell you that plan now.
That's why I have to eat something there.
That's why I don't buy cucumber in my yard. You see my last wife? She get old and shrivel up, I put her out. Yeah, I'm tired of the old perfume where she use. More young girl perfume, when young girl spray up, I'm smelling me say, yeah, I feel like a young stud. You understand?
No, sir.
You don't understand?
See, you're not a good old wife out there, just for one young girl.
Yeah!
Some of them get like now cook and clean and wash, you know.
Me only want to know so them a pump up. As
See,
long-
my woman yard there. I brush him this morning.
Let me teach you something. Yes, when you have a woman in your yard, take care of her the best way you can.
Me, I do that. But she
And
don't
then
take
she
care
will
of
do-
me. Alright, now me go away this morning. Come go up and go look at work. I go away this morning. I see she have pin out clothes. I look on the line. See fear clothes on the line coming on, fear clothes them. I look me see I saw a man clothes on with underpants and sitting under my clothes that me not wear that.
You,
If I tell him about a brother clothes, I take my phone.
then if our brother,
So I'm to my then can I wash too?
you ever maintain her with money?
I mean,
You ever count out one cash 1 week and say, baby, go buy what you want?
I reckon a 1 week or a day.
Put her backside out then.
And that more.
Because she nah do nothing
And
for
that
you.
more look at different girl right now. Right now, Kayla, I pray for go link. I'm link her already still. But I go link her back again. Because she say I line up something from one who I go on.
Oh, me see her down the road a while ago, so you might look enough to stay right here so I see me come. You see that girl there? She mix up.
Yeah, again.
So you have to mind how you take woman from her. The last girl she give me, she big.
I don't tell her what I want her. I don't want
Me say,
big
I
name.
drop in a hit. See me here. You know what I'm saying? You clap
How we
water.
drop in it?
Me just drop
Which
off
way?
in there.
Which way?
Body way.
Oh.
No matter with the head way. You think I eat that? You laugh. You think I eat that? You take one for eat that?
Ah, sir. All right, Father Joe. You gone. Boy, man, how long me wait for you, man?
Every time for me last.
I wait for you for the same thing tell about from last year, man.
What?
The girl, man, what go on?
You talk about?
What go on for the girls you will give me?
Which girl you talk about?
Remember I wish girl me talk about. It's me if you give much money for girl.
What's that, cousin? What money do you talk
I
about?
worry about the money, did the money.
No, worry about the girl.
I'm a company end to get the money.
When you bring the money, come and get girl. Where money dey?
Say money they lock off, man. I worry about the money.
Alright. Me have one girl can give you wife material, but guess what? The rates go up very high, 100,000 now.
You left from 50 and 100.
Yes.
Let's me give 125.
Me don't want 25.
Okay, I'll give 130.
25 of money?
Can give
30 of money, go higher than that, man.
No,
Or
I
back,
can't
or
go,
go- or
me
me
now
tell
go
you.
higher, because watch me
Watch out
tell me
now.
say, I want a one night thing that me friend. I can go down on the beach for one night.
Me tell you,
Less
me
than
tell you,
30.
No. If you want a one night, I can give you a one night. Me say me give you a wife material. Wife material. Watch me now.
You change them out now.
Me have to change more.
What's
Watch
that
now.
one? But me not give 100 for that though.
Breast big. That's 50,000. Breast very big. Breast huge. Look how me I get for a
Me
cheap
not too like
price.
a huge breast on them.
Well, the breast huge. You have to work with it. Bumper on the back.
Me cannot pay me if I work with you. I give me can't give me one.
No, I'm sorry.
Me don't want it too huge. Me like
Me
it
not
on a
nothing small
level.
to give you.
Enough small on a little level, on a
no.
level.
You know the thing too? Me not like level money. It's me like the big figures. More like a girl them on the Instagram and the IG. See them, you know? With the brick. Me want to have brick too.
But you don't know them to get brick?
What?
You know them to get brick?
No, me not please when I do forget brick. Watch what me they do get forget brick. Sell
You
girl.
know I make the brick there in time.
Who tell her that?
You have to go do one because you make the brick.
No. And I the only client me have. When me done, me go check another man. And me go check another one and other one and other one and other one. Come clear him money and me charge him big 100,000.
I don't give you so much though.
It can't give me man, just not afford penny to give me money, man.
I give you money, don't worry yourself.
You know I think about it too? You show me a G. I'll tell you how we are going to do it now. And so we have to do it to make it up on a low price. You see me get that one, you know. You say for another one come and one man. Because I charge them too, you know. You have to deal with she too. Get that money. So you have to work for me now, me hire you now. So if one girl come right now and say she want a man, not because you have 2, 3, 5, 6 of them. You have to learn to keep it and just have to, you have to know to balance it. One order one yeah, one order the other one. Don't make them feel lesser than done and no make them find out. You understand?
Alright, me get you.
So check me the come on.
What time?
Anytime, but put on different clothes. Now where them I come?
Yeah, no, I think I'm already, man. I come check you, man. I come check you, man. Go on.
Trim too.
Go on, trim you, man. Go on. You want to life?
Man,
Watch him.
money. Broke like.
100,000. Right.
Yes, you dirty old Joe. Come here. Me say, me see you on the road enough. I'm a man to attack you. With a chew me, I do my little business. I'm a little money.
Attack me for?
Why can you attack carry news?
Me I carry news or the news I carry me? Which one?
You, because you have chat off your mouth. Eh?
You fit tap it. You fit tap line up the young girl and people, man, and send them over my yard. Tap do it.
Me not tap do it. I saw me make my money and me go and continue. Listen to me now. Stay in your ears group. You know why? See it there. You're going to dye your head. And left yasso and yasso. Because you can't pop your show. You're still old. Read my lips them. You're old.
So old man, you call me.
You're old. You're old and love young people business.
Listen me. Me might look for me good, right?
Me I see every day. Me look for
Me are 60. Look like 30 and feel like 15. Don't ramp with me. You see? Don't ramp with me. I still have the Grammy and the Gatti. So I don't know what you're going to talk about. You're bright.
You don't got no glammy or anything. You're an old man. Feel like you're a young boy. And first of all, you dey come to my business. And I'm telling people this and that and I mash up my business now. Question. Yeah, make money after chatting too much. When I use your mouth, yeah, make money. Me have some Listerine in my yard.
Listen me.
And bleach and chlorine for your mouth.
Let me tell you something. Talk, give out the young girl them because me want one and give me one.
Me give you one already, one big woman, 135-year-old, and she say your banana now work, your banana dead like a dog. Half a dog when I tell you better than for you.
That she tell you?
That she tell me.
You know say she where you give me. When I bring her to my yard, put up my precious wife because of she. When me bring her to my yard and me take coffee and me take out look at Jimmy fi put in and the scent just fly up so boop. Look at Jimmy go and sleep. Next time no give me them the woman there again.
Listen to me. She didn't need to wash, she carry come here because it's an old man. She didn't carry stick and money. You, because you're old. You don't young. You feel like you're young, but you're not young as an old man. What
put on me dark eyes. You're bright.
Dark eyes.
You're bright.
Yeah, man. You're
Me
bright.
young, me gutty.
You don't. That is an old man in a people's business.
I see why you can't get no man.
I know. Me don't want a man for myself because all men are dogs. Me like share people, man.
Yeah, man, all man are dog, yeah? All man are dog.
No, sir. Yeah, which one? People or mongrel?
Yeah,
People
all
or
of them.
mongrel? Let me tell you this now. Come out of my business. Come out of my business because you're poor my business, man. You. Let me tell you this.
I see you.
Oh, Jack. Stinking foot Jack. Whatever and sex when I wash. Jack when I'm bed. Jack when I'm brushing teeth and Jack when I'm a woman and he has clean up in place. And Jack when the woman must say in banana dead like a dog. Come out of my business. I don't mean have nothing in there, you know.
I see me I can use.
Yeah, carry news. You use your more than how you use done this, sir. Eh?
So you know about my property?
Because then they're dead.
Okay.
You broke like and stink like, man. Come on, good on. Come on, man.
Why?
Good on. You all like I love people business too much.
All right, you wait. We shall buck again.
Oh, buck where? I buck me go and buck off your head and you take them out of your head.
Yes, ma. Yes, you go on now. From this,
Go back to your door.
Let me go through though.
Every single time somebody come here, them pop through my door and I have no padlock. Like say I found it.
Oh, you put lock on it so I can't walk through me not next time, but...
Anyways, as we say.
What one thing you want to say I give me today? I'm come on now, you know, car. So yo, my woman.
Me have a nice dark chocolate woman for you.
I'm gonna put chocolate tonight.
Because she black.
You never put the chocolate tonight.
Well, me put it tonight anyway, if you don't like it, whatever. Whatever you have to treat the woman nice. Treat her respectfully.
But you may treat the woman bad.
But,
Alright.
me must say no. Me say you're a nerd.
Oh.
So keep it away there.
Oh.
You a nerd.
When?
You're a woman and give a bone. You don't must nerd if I did some man box her done long time, you know.
No, show me the beat, woman. Show me the beat, woman, me a nerd.
No, I'll train a bit money a nerd.
No. Don't.
He's a nerd. When your woman give a bone, what you do? You sit and take it. If a woman go so, you sit and take it. So me go so, you take it.
You have to laugh.
You see it?
So hold on there.
What?
So you see my wanna do me that?
Now ask me, okay, now mix me up. But just make you know, I'm sure to God say you know
Left
what
off
she
of
had
that now.
your bone.
Left off of that. Every man get bone, you know. That's why I'm there right now. I'm gonna replace him right now to talk to me now. Where you say go
Good, but
on?
remember, I don't tell you woman saying no woman, then I know woman.
But me can't tell me about woman, but me not eat that.
Make sure say that, make sure say that you eat that. We can make everything alright, make everything look good and.
Yeah, no, girl.
I hear yard. I hear yard. Everybody will pop in, book bop.
Oh,
Come in.
I don't mind my combo.
Anyways, this is the man I'm telling you about. This is a girl I've been telling you about.
Oh, so dark skin.
See, stop and greet her now. See,
No,
you see that
so
man,
like
him a
afraid.
nerd. Him a bad
I'm
man.
not afraid.
Oh, so you say I deal with. Wow, you cock up do your turn, good man. Wow, Milan up in her chest though. So you say talk to me now. Come in now, man. I want a woman right now, you know, me I tell you.
So we have to offer?
I have to offer money.
Money.
Uh,
Just money alone?
and banana.
And banana?
Wait, what you have your offer? You dey ask him, man, what you have your offer?
Me a good woman, good quality woman.
You can cook?
Of course.
So your last man say you put too much curry in the pot.
Hold on there. You eat mackerel?
And the curry turn up.
Hold on. You eat it mackerel?
Yes, me eat it.
Oh,
mackerel.
my favorite thing. Morning, noon, and night.
Anyways,
This money hungry.
Mama, I must not give me the money. If they tell me the next time, so that's why I'm not telling you next time and the next time with the man. Can I give me the money?
Man. What is?
Thank you. Money. You know the money?
Pocket money.
This is why you know the business is broke pocket man.
So me broke 2 million again money?
Yes. You're like a dog.
I walk with money, my friend, a plastic I walk with.
No, me don't like your style, man. You're too broke. Dig deep in your pocket. You're too broke. Me don't like broke pocket man. You know a woman? Dig them in your pocket and pop with something.
Oh, so I look a blow face. I say, you know.
Thank you. Whatever that bread, $2,000. 2 weeks if you time with him for. 2 weeks if you time with him for.
2 weeks.
So hold on there.
Me never tell you say more rent a man.
Go to a road, you know.
Me say me want a man.
If you want a woman, go to
For
a road, you know.
myself.
Send on more money and get it for yourself. Because what woman not they want him. So if you send on more money,
No worry yourself, man.
good money me say.
You getting 1,000 already and the next 1,000.
No, $1,000 money.
So what that?
This don't even can buy one
You
back
get
soon.
1,000 from me, you get 1,000 from... What do you mean I can't buy back sold? Some of you back sold
I
them.
don't know what kind of business you are running on.
Mama got Popeyes.
Alright, watch out. You see this? You can buy one piece, me think.
I want to the other night.
Yeah. You see this now? You can buy a next
And then the
one.
other night.
But watch them, I'll show you smart now. You see them here? You put them together. You go to supermarket. You buy 1 pound of chicken or 2.
Me can't cook. If I could have cooked, I go buy. I think of buying cook food. Me can't cook. I dare.
And you say
Yes.
you chat about me where I put gold in
Mama,
my pot?
you realize say, me not no man ya. Me no pick up man cause me can't cook. And me not pick up no man for come batter me in my head. You understand? Yes. So me can't cook, so me not take up no man. You get it?
Yo, here walk one. Cause right now you're too tasty, and I'm not going to talk about me, you know.
Awa.
So, sit more, you know. Can't work.
Yeah,
Thank you.
And I give nothing more.
Cause I'm not going to talk about me look more than
Okay.
the you know.
Alright. Good amount
So you're
of
good
money.
now?
Me good man, everything Chris.
So you say you talk for me now?
No, Tony can't work it out. Get up to my house now.
Yeah,
Move.
look alright. Now watch
Get off fast.
I want the toast look more, you know.
Yeah.
Special, I'm drink beer.
And get good do.
No, me not. Mama, when me get a good way, you can't come in here, so. Another client. Oh God! Finally. Nobody tonight. Break. Kayla. Oh, Jesus Christ. Kayla.
She not here. She's not here. Come back tomorrow.
Kayla.
Mama, what you want? Come in. What you want? Me get a break. Me off duty. The past hours now. Let me push up a little bit. Because the train on a padlock pan, everybody want to tap in and kick in. What problem?
Is the job one?
No?
Let me not see him.
Cause me not see a man.
We don't call him on the phone.
Call your man? You must be mad. No, why me not call your man? I don't have a number. You not call your man.
So now you advise me on the phone, Kayla?
Girl, I never call your man. Why you think me call your man? You come at the house?
Yeah, me don't feel like saying about that woman.
No. You know the reason you feel so? Cause you have 4 man one time. So you feel to say I do what you did do.
So why is that train on my face like that?
Cause of the truth. I mean, I dash in your face like that.
You don't brawling with you. You're my friend. That's why I made the cuss what you know.
Mama, me and your friend, right? You want to tell you a lie. You don't want me come straight to you. You want me to tell you a road.
No, I don't want you to tell
all right.
me. I just want you to
come here.
Take
come
time.
Here.
Don't touch me, man.
Me and your friend. Girl. Me and your friend, no girl. You see, you taking 4 man. That's so excellent. A plus. You know what? Get 4 more, make 8.
What can you tell them that you tell me? What can your friend this?
Cause me I tell you say it's wrong to have 4 man one time. You tell me say me and your friend, so I'm not finna tell you it so. No, me I be a hypocrite friend. And tell yourself you have 8 man. I'm being a hypocrite friend now and telling you that you have 8 man is right. Cause you have 4. Wait, a client call me. Client call me. Hello, I'm at work right now. Cannot talk. Yes.
Why you have so brawling?
Because me I decline calling me and I get agree my spirit now. Anyways, as I'm saying now, job on and shit, girl. It's like you have 4 man, it's excellent. A plus, baby girl, get 2 more on the side.
Me come over here to ask if I see job. Me come over here for you disrespect me.
Alright, mama. Ben don't look at me better if you see man there. Me help you look for him. Where job wanna do at me yard? Let me look back at you so. Where job wanna do at me yard? You see job on over here? Over here is very small. You see job on here? No. Job is not here. Where think your man there? Girl. As the man what they make up at top your son. Me no see job one from there. Me no see job one. You understand?
Anything I say?
But that's true because you come look for your man like say me have a man.
Because me hear you no on the phone and him say him soon come.
Mama, me look like man look like say me a man government. Me own the man them. And me a the head whatever for the man them. And me control the man them. I don't control the man them. You understand? So listen to me now. You see, if you don't use us properly for your man, how that?
I can't sense a keep here.
Then we are there.
How are you? You know?
If you
Well,
see
you know everybody, because you give everybody, man.
me off duty now, check me back tomorrow 5 o'clock in the day.
I never come to you, man.
Where you want?
I come to you because you know top give people, my man.
Mama, you come to me this morning and say to me, say, me I go to your man and tell your man, say you have 2 man, right?
Huh?
This morning you come to me. You look past to me, say, me I go to your man and tell your man, say you have man. No, you tell me, say me not give people your man. I will try him. Come good. Come try him. Which one him? Tell me how try him, mama. Which one? Which one?
And she'll come to know we help him for.
So come on.
Yes. Good. If I can get yard to mama.
Me I go my yard because me feel like say you have something to do with which part job one day and I want to tell me, you know. But enough for you. Me I go my
Put me on. Come on, I'm here for me pop off to here for your head. You don't go talk about man, me yard.
you do it want fix.
And that's why your man not tap your board because I need to look good. But talk about me door can I have none yourself. Who that?
What do you do over here? Get a lemon too.
Can I say man?
Yes. The original man seller.
I did the sister, Mr. Man, the money make a fame like me buy the way. So no boss, no buck you up. Don't mash up you. Every time you come, you want pop off the door, you want swing my salad text.
Imagine you sell people, man. More than one, somebody you can buy one door, you can buy one. One different way I have to run to Salitex.
Me I use the side text because if you mash up in me buy back I very cheap. He said me put on one different but me don't want to pop it up.
Yeah, like a damage do you go buy a shot so.
And that damage is supposed to shot. Probably if under this shot, your man on their road. Okay. And then the land, that's your man their road.
Me don't come over here for not too much long time. You know what I come over here for?
Me don't know. Tell me.
You know what I come over here for?
No girl, tell me girl.
Oh, you! You think of yourself and go to me, man. But tell me, man, all kind of foolishness.
All kind of foolishness. Kayla. Oh, you take up yourself, I go to the girl man, all type of foolishness. She not answer me. Me never do that. I never me do
So
that.
who do it? Are you alone no man? So who do it?
So, you have two man one time, right?
Yes.
Good. Guess I know. Who in the lane love drink rum?
Now the old man who live down the lane
Good.
out.
Who in the lane know everybody business?
You and the man who live on the lane out.
Okay. Who in the lane defrost like a fridge? Like a deep freeze?
You and the man who live on the lane out.
And if I know me and who?
Then none the man who lane out.
Good.
But wait now. It's when you talk something, you add on panny. You see the madman know what they are lane out. When him talk something, you know, he talk before it happen.
Watch you know. And the man done this a chat and never me did it.
But
And I
some
see
pieces add on. Come here, say no 2 man, a 3 man, and I told me know about.
Mama?
Are you alone? Tell people business and add on panny.
No.
Can you come to your gun and say, hey, you go tell Tom, so you say ABC.
Because of ABC, you did say. You don't say it on the style. And as I say, and I may go to your man, and I let him go to your man. You see, time I take to go to your man, me now make the money, I have to focus on what you have for the people, when I make money offer. So take a time I go to my Salitex door.
You need to buy apply a door, because the Salitex now.
Mama, your yard. Your man no over
yeah.
here.
Shame you.
What buy door? Let me door. I close it myself. Because we can't afford it.
Girl.
Hey girl, pause. I know you look mindful like Kayla and I sell a man over the so. I sell Kayla, sell man per living.
So that we that talk over there too.
Yeah, girl.
I think you just bring up something.
Me say I sell, she sell man over there, but you me go make a mistake and go over there go buy 2 man one time. She go tell the man say 2 of them me I talk to. And I come talk about the junkie man don't do what I lie herself.
I mean, I know if she like I seen some years she had talked to my man on phone, call him over.
For do what?
Me no know.
I say she sell a man good.
And then me go over there and she said she not see her from morning.
She sell your man.
Oh, happy day.
Oh, happy day.
Where you come from?
Where me I come
Oh,
from?
happy day.
I come from a road by bar.
Oh, happy day now one girl catchy.
What you talking about now?
Oh, happy day.
What she talk about?
Oh, happy day.
Yeah.
Nice man, but I run me drink and smoke.
The most nice man, can you just come out and catchy.
Easy yourself, man. Where you talking
One
about?
nice catchy.
Easy yourself. Where you
So,
talking
me think
about?
over here that carry catchy come.
You see you don't like it?
I like you either. Can you know daddy and your gunman at night? Catchy.
So I
What you
want to
talk
know.
about? Cause me confused right now.
Don't worry about she, man.
What she talk
Only
about?
if you know she talk about she.
Where you come from?
Bar.
You got a bar.
Buy
So you
steak
got a
stuff.
bar and I make me not say I got a bar. You just come out
You know
of
the
the
place me I got
house.
bar?
Yes, you're supposed to.
What me know
I mean,
you
here you talk to Kayla upon the phone. Where you go? Where you
Oh, yeah.
Me talk to Kayla.
Me here on the phone.
Pretty
ring,
catchy.
and what she talk about? Me still confused.
Sorry, yo, easy now, man.
Me laugh.
Me last too.
Hey, you where dogs thing say, oh, happy day. When you
Yeah,
get feel
happy.
catchy can say, oh, happy day. It's a catchy can
No.
get.
Listen, man.
Then let me show you.
Just get one money in a day, I'm just have a drink, you know?
Oh, so you go have a drink and
Where
you
is the
can't
money they
come.
know?
Don't worry about him.
You have to pay Kayla. You have to pay the girl for the catchy can. And you have to buy rum if you do buy no rum.
Oh, you know
If
Scotch.
not,
What she a talk
because
about?
I over Kayla, because I buy a man, girl. It's like you not understand.
Yo. Are you out with me or she?
You about what she a say? It a
Let me tell you who are you there. You, she, and Kochi K.
Who is Cushy K?
Who
You
Yes,
soon
who
know
is
Kochi
so?
K. Kochi
Easy now,
K.
man. Easy now, man.
Come let me go to my yard, cause I see you.
Come to the yard long.
No, me never already can now come put me on. My friend have shaves like this. She have
Yo.
shares in this. Where you come
Yeah,
from?
man. I don't know, say when time it a move smooth and everything, your friend gonna want to try.
I'm telling you this.
Actually,
Me don't want you. So they better come chat about my friend. I go on this. Me a try show my friend so she put that take up idiot. Cause you a fool or you come like one two-face. You a nerd of the year and gunman and I. But oh happy day. Mama tell me we but happy day.
I don't like the girl I know. Yo, so
What just take place a while ago?
ask your
But
friend.
she actually a
Because she
talk
know me like
about.
her again, you know.
Why?
Just for her company. Me
Why?
like her.
It seems like that she know enough.
What you know?
Where you come from?
Me tell me I come from already.
Me not believe you. Where you come from?
Me always
You get a call from Kayla. And you just disappear
My
like
mother
that.
call me and send me her money.
Wow.
Yeah. But
Wow.
somebody that I see. Me tell you somebody that I see is already my friend. Money I move so.
Tell me that.
But I'm
But
gonna lean right over me away right now. You know, cook.
where you come from? That more not cooking. Where you come from? That more I know. Where you coming from? Come go back Kayla and Kayla when I say she don't see her, she don't know me at all about.
You see, when you beat woman now, you could have talked to me sir right now, you know. She knows me one of them good youth.
Beat who? Beat who?
You see, they must seem to me tell about put me the beat, man. And I broke them on my power. Listen me now. You don't know my style.
When you break your palm, make sure you kill me. Cause you do live. I want to know where you come
I
from.
come from already.
No, me don't know where you come from. Tell me where you come from. Cause you not come from nobody.
Right out of the bar, I get and the music I play. Oh, the man I come from, come feel hungry. Want some food. I mean, I advise you come want some local. You know. So you don't cook nothing. You don't cook.
Why is a little bit and lie? I mean, I cook for feed you. Cause it's a little cheating. Me don't even want to say it.
Who a cheat? So I'm to Paul. You want to Harry, Matthew, and John and the other.
Paul, I'm my uncle.
Paul,
And the
uncle.
other rest of them are just friend. Friend.
Friend.
Yes.
I don't want to drive a crown there. Are your friend? Foot pan dashboard and style. Are your friend that?
I'm a friend.
Friend no roll.
Yes, it's my friend.
Friend no roll, so.
What you mean? Well, you see we do not You see we not any from a position.
Need the pink tires and the whole like good stuff I show. Look, same man never crash a car and kill her half the night too.
Yeah, right, you know, me don't talk to you, you know. I'm going about my business.
So I play kitchen man, that's why.
Me not work in no kitchen. 20 permit nice.
Yeah, mama.
Bagwan!
Bagwan! Man. Yeah, me G.
Seriously, if I go out nice, you gotta smile.
Yes, cause me
And the last thing
Oh,
we
she
come
worth
pop off
it.
my door.
She worth it. She worth every penny me give you in your pocket. All you put in your blouse, it worth every penny.
Right. Yeah, man. And the last.
She flexible, you know?
She flexible?
She flex. He come like one flexible ruler. She come so.
Real.
And come back so. More.
She bad then.
One night time I couldn't manage.
Uncle.
Couldn't manage. Me have say ease up. I'm gonna get to a Malta and come back. I'm ready for the road again.
So it turned out right, everything.
Yeah, everything
Yeah, man,
okay,
yeah,
no
man.
little faults.
She me a work with.
She a work
She
with.
have it.
She have it. She a work with.
She have it.
Yeah, what you say about him talk? Me, him a work with.
You know me never come here yet and tell us them are sick here. When me tell her say she have it, she have it.
She got it. Like glue.
Yeah.
Got it.
Good.
Really so.
Gravity, yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, so you're still at it.
What we stop
You're
it?
still at it, my man.
Father God. Why me
What's
want to
up?
go?
They will always say some
Alright.
classes.
You know what now? I'm turning out to go work now. Come here, mama. Sit down, son. Sit down. Come here, mama. Come. Sit your body good. Sit your body
No,
good.
that's what I mean. No.
No worry. Start typing.
Hey, take time with my body.
Cause no, it coming like say I'm me, then I big like everything. Cause I like how me the benefit off, alright? Listen to me now. You got to go choose one of them. You can't want have two women one time.
I like.
You have to go figure it out. You want the big one?
I know one time. Sometimes we go there one and I know one time.
Well, you can't have the two of them none at all. Is out you want that one, yeah? Or you want to because the one that must come so make you say that one you saw. So pick one of them show me you want. You have to pick. Cause it come like something wrong with done there so.
Come,
No man, she
Come let's talk in and pick.
she
Jesus.
she having about
What's your name?
She. Okay. We are talking about.
Avina, but me don't know. But sometimes then he does whoops.
And he said this front boy.
And then
Where's the
Okay. Me know why.
And he said this front.
Explain.
Mama,
Explain.
it's not your time to talk. Explain.
You know, like a pit.
Mm-hmm.
Like a pipe with
Deep
a
and wide.
small so.
Mm-hmm.
But when
Deep
you
and wide.
go down in the hole, it's big.
Deep and
Because
wide.
under big.
Deep and wide.
But she know, me not know.
Alright, take her one with her. Take her one with her. Take her.
Mama.
Shut up. We not talking.
She mad. Me can't walk with her more time. She just chip so many times.
Right.
Me
Me
not
chip
like-
right now.
That's what the man no want, yo.
I don't give a damn. Take her.
Mama, calm
Take
down.
her.
Well, she act like a hooligan. She act like a hooligan.
You don't see hooligan.
And she try mother out the market, me understand that part. Me understand, but if me can't hold a simple conversation and my neighbor not here.
Because she take something in her mouth.
She-
Because I don't know why you're out so loud in my
But
house.
if you have my finger, me put my finger in there, my finger sick. Me I wonder you need to go doctor more.
Hey!
Finger sick.
Hey!
So long.
God forbid.
Wait, Mama.
What you say?
Tell me. Me no.
Don't touch me.
Get off my bed. It's a man that me sick like a feel.
I'm
me
like to me.
Take
Me
me
go to
out.
her, me take time and say, Mama, me put my finger there.
You know what I'm telling you, disrespect.
Me I wonder
You
what.
can't take her.
And she may go take.
Take her.
You know if you say and she may go
Go out
take.
and know you
The
know.
elder, come here, BS, come here, come, excuse.
Let she go and mercy.
Come on, the man now want you.
Right.
The man now want you. Come out of this classes, girl. You know what, later, yeah?
Me pick right.
You pick right? Me think you pick right, but me don't know it. Come out and me shall take so smooth.
What you mean?
What you mean
now?
by-
Explain what you mean.
Mama. Sorry,
Don't
Mama.
call me a mama.
Mama.
Don't do that.
Me not
Rephrase that. Rephrase that.
Alright.
Push back that in your mouth. Push it back. Where you call me mama? Push it back in your mouth.
Me take you back down. Listen to me now. Me not understand what they go on.
Address me right. Address me right.
Alright. Tugger.
Alright.
Good, cause like what she got, me never really understand everything. See, under her big.
Yes. It's big. Like a tiny pit.
Oh God. Me no want a man go down me and
As you
say
say,
me big.
it does deep. Me don't know if you explain.
Oh,
but
that's
it-
big.
Yeah,
So,
but
when
she
you have it
know-
first time?
She have it.
She got it.
Yeah.
In a big.
She have it hold me forever.
Hold it forever. Take
Yeah.
it for eat that forever. Ooh.
And this I try this.
Me, try this you never. Never. So as I say, I look so. Wait. I say I look so.
My finger sick, man.
You see spit so? I see a black,
Me
I saw
wonder
under
if I
black.
told me I go so. It cut.
So one finger use there two. Cause you say I need a big. That means you must can use two.
No, me use 3.
That they done. That not use.
When me put 1, me say boom, but me don't feel. You know? When me put 3, kind of feel. Oh yeah.
Oh, so she put on that she.
She, you can't work the mama.
Oh.
This is true. Me travel with that. You know, you have it.
Hey, come.
Alright.
Too much
Alright,
information.
Yeah, man, come here. I want more money in my account cause you know mash up me do and me have to go change my shit cause under are no good and me no want that me mash up. Me no like
Me not here.
Miss-
Me not here.
Yes, me girl. See me here, so me look, you know? No man, no watch you be me still young. No watch
Watch
you
ya. Put the people in yard. Where the people in yard?
Hold on, let me
How
soon call
far
you back.
that you have on?
Me soon call you back.
No sir.
Watch me.
What is the Avan, Master? What is the Avan?
You see what I mean? You think you young boy then can chest like me? Huh?
You look, come
You see me
here.
I tie up me eyebrow, look by look. Look on the good. Me soon die whole life.
This is an idiot. It's a piece of cruff. Come from out of Peter here for me go call Peter. Come see Peter up the road. You know, weird over the man yard. I'm man young that you over there with. That little careless girl. Come out of people in my yard, man.
The girl are 19.
No, she's 14.
14 your backside, she 19.
She have 14, you tell me her age?
Are you the child to top me?
Watch if it tap you. Me I tap everything because you tap my business and how me make my money. And that me I tell you. I'm going to take off your avac, you don't look good. Go and put on back your old pants, them man. And the same thinking tax in her.
Are you buy?
No, me could never buy that gear. Me not buy nothing gear.
Shut your damn mouth.
No, I you shut your damn mouth because you walk around and chat people business. Then I nothing at all to do.
Yo.
You change because you don't change your boot, man.
You see all the man that way you swap. You see swap girl. You see that girl where you swap? Go beat your backside one
No
day.
girl can't beat me no day, no time. Me a bad girl. They come from the ghetto. Out of order and bright. I'll phone like a thief. Who give you iPhone? Oh, really look by you and give you iPhone.
A young me young.
You're not young, you're old. There's an old man that love people business and I know nothing to do. Give them to me.
You're bright.
Who give iPhone? Oh, you have iPhone, I mean I have iPhone.
At the dollars.
Which dollars? Which dollars you have?
The cash.
You don't know cash, you broke like a dog. Me I wonder if one of the white girl me have and do something with it. We have to do something to get them something, you know. Cause they come out. A rock pan, rock. Oh, look at a little stiff up there. You know what even it's a hurt my spirit, man.
I go and want Jawbone boy, you know.
Oh, Jawbone go do?
I go and tell Jawbone say it's a bad influence.
No. It's a Jawbone, no Jawbone can do without me. See, without me, Jawbone don't got no woman.
Alright.
I'm a higher Jawbone, so me tell her this now. What type of people me then? Top ticky people, them young girl, pitney man for your old man. You old enough? You old, I want young girl.
Me are 15.
What about you are 15?
And she are 19.
You are 68. Go up.
See you.
Oh, like I let underpants tape. Them a little young careless girl, man.
If
What they want?
my boy never sees the person, I give a hand back, you see.
Come back to me. Come. Run up. You think you're bad? You think you're bad? You feel you're bad? Am I busted out here?
Alright, no say nothing.
Oh,
You're
like
good.
I want young girl. Dirty man.
How you come about? Come here, see over here, issue up, man. I'm all like, no. I myself, me a chat too, man. Me a chat here and you look up and down.
No!
You don't need to know who me is. Me a talk to you. Oh, you fit take up my man. I'm going to give Sean and Amanda.
Let me ask you a question, woman. You have papers, man?
Sit down.
I want to see them in one house, lad.
You have papers for them when you issue them?
No.
They're not going to issue them with your papers. Me can't take him without the papers.
Listen to me. You say me issue the man them, and I speak him out so. I will show the man or woman if the man want the woman, it will me go there. Me can't help that. Control the man, mama, help your man. Me didn't know about you. Me don't even know you exist. They come to my house and come bully me down like you want to bully me.
You see, next time, me see none of them with my man. Over here, me a come.
Oh.
I mean, I want to lick in your face in them place.
Oh.
Alright.
So you come in me one house. Why come beat me over man? If your maid was a purse.
Girl, yo.
Father God, me shit in a church yard, you know, me shit in a church. Mama, I'm in yard, you coming in now?
Turn your voice. Tone down your voice. You must come to. After me, girl, man, if you give Dimitri, girl. You know that Dimitri having girl. You what you want to do? You want girl see me around and beat me?
Mama, if me, you get the wood?
Me not come to you about that. You know say, a man have him girl. After me take my good money, girl. And give you a big boy.
Mama,
We want to laugh for me?
they not laugh for you. Mama, want to get the man, you know if you hold the man and tie the man.
We
can't
mean
look
by?
more. And next time, come here, no, I a second person do it, you know.
Me come at any girl, me come at any girl yard. Any girl yard me come.
And that's why no man no want to be too vulgar. Man no want no hug.
I don't give a
Man no want nobody like a them and say come push me down my own house.
Cause you're no good friend. You just tell me say man have having girl.
How me know that?
This way girl look too.
But how me know that? How me know the man business? You ask for your man, you get a man. You know what to do after with the man. Good. Not my problem that.
You see you, Uno.
Uno.
Uno, good friend. Okay, why you not give me a next man? Why you not give me a next man? You know, nah, no woman. Me can't take
Every
drama.
man,
Me can't get woman drama with nobody, you know.
Listen to me. Every man,
Papa girl, Nick.
every man have a woman. Watch ya, Jesus Christ, me shit in a
Oi.
Come.
We want.
I'm talk. Come now, what them a stop me here, I know. So anyways, you gotta take the money and take your man, girl.
Hey! I want to know earlier. Hey,
Oh,
You know what?
You
You know come back here.
sorry, please throw your suitcase. Come, Mama, mommy.
Mama, let me ask you a question now. You get the man, right?
Yeah, me get the man.
Good. Find your yard. Find your yard. Find your yard. Me tell that Uno can't come at me and they come pop off me solid text door. Oh,
Wait.
find the yard. Me go no man, I don't know if you want man.
I know that, you know. You give me a man, right?
Mm-hmm.
You go and take, I'm going to take this head man that you give me. Give somebody else.
Yes.
That makes sense?
It makes sense.
Make it make sense.
You want can manage man? You place to take man, you can't take two man learn for
Yeah,
share.
take your son.
Shh, watch out now. You see, if under this so did good, the man who left you, the man that stuck with you. You're lucky. You no lucky, you don't want to come bully me.
Now come back over here.
You want to come bully me.
Now come back over
What
here.
come over there?
Make sure you have the money here.
Mama.
Man.
I want pad that me want for you do ya. Cause you want to come back abuse me too much.
Yeah, you reach to the end, which me never want to end, so because certain people never available, but me gonna make sure me continue the story, even if you certain people who play certain people. But that's just one person I think missing from the movie, but we are gonna make it. You know, when we get the ending of it. Please, the more I share, the more we can upload. The more I share, the more we upload. The more I share, the more we see subscribers go up, the more views we see. They start, you know, notice I drop every 2 days now. The more views go up, the more shares we drop every day. Every day. So I notice that every 2 days. Sunday, then we have Tuesday, then we have Thursday, then we have Sunday again. But I want to try to drop in between, maybe Friday. I want to go to a special movie on a Friday. But please, just share it, like, subscribe. We have everybody right now. We soon start filming a new one because we want to get a new one. Sunday coming. We have a special one. I don't think this one I going to have no fighting, like, I don't think. But this one is going to have a little sad story because, you know, too much cheating, too much bun. So we're going to a sad story. My voice kind of worse because I'm sick out. That's why I'm not punch more with them, all them to punch more. So once I get back on my feet again and feel a little bit more better, we're going to a stronger story. This story we're going to drop though. Sunday is a special movie for I open up for all family members and all kids. I don't think this one, as we said, no fighting, we're not sure. We can't promise you. No fighting, but killing, no, I don't want to say that word. Murder right now. It's like what's really happening in Jamaica is gonna happen.